So today we're going to install the axle, the rear axle on our Honda CB350 Cafe Racer. We've done this a couple times and it's actually really simple, but if you're like me and you kind of don't know what you're doing and you have to search the internet on how to do it, here's your chance to figure it out. So here's the axle here. We're going to grease that up. On the right side of the bike we have the axle, we have the chain tightener, we have this collar. It's going to go through there like this, into there. Okay. On the other side, it's going to come out. It's going to go through the chain, another chain tightener, a washer, and then this nut right here. And then finally, there's a whatchamacallit that goes in here. I can't even think of it. A hash pin that'll go in there. So we're going to put that in, and we'll show you what it looks like when we're finished. Through there.
Really helps to have a partner in this.
It really helps, does. All right, I'm going to use the screwdriver. Tighten this bad boy up. Spin. There you go. There we go. And that's it.